Getting only top views or only side views in your Cryo-EM data? Struggling with orientation bias during sample prep? Try tilting the stage in your next data collection session. Hi everyone, this is Marcelo from PNCC, and today we want to share a quick tip to help you deal with preferred orientation in Cryo-EM, especially when your grid is already loaded in the microscope. If you're using EPU, just enable tilted acquisition when creating your session. Then, when you move to a grid square and open hole selection, you see the tilt option available here. Type in the angle you want and EPU will estimate how the holes look when tilted. Instead of a circle, you see an oval shape on the screen. And the same applies when you click Find Holes. The detected holes will also appear as ovals. That's it, simple trick, but it can make a big difference in overcoming preferred orientation. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Cryo-EM tips. See you next time.